What up, tube? Saturday. It's about 7:10 a.m. right now. I'm up. I'm ready to go to the shop right now. I'm headed over there. I expect it to be pretty busy. For sure, I'm short-handed today. I'm at least 2 barbers down, so we'll see how it goes. Maybe a third barber, because one of them yesterday left early because he was feeling sick. So we'll see how it goes. If anything, I just got to pump it up and make the best of it. It is what it is. Let's just go out there and handle it. You know what, guys? Today I want to talk a little bit about the early bird. The early bird gets the worm. All right, guys? Remember that. The early bird. If you haven't heard that term before, guys, early bird gets the worm. What that means to me is first person at work usually gets, especially in the barber business, the first person at work's always going to get the first client that walks in, you know? If you're the last guy showing up, then guess what? You're going to be starting off, you're 2-3 haircuts behind everybody else already. This is good advice for you young guys. You know, I'm an older guy already, so I already trained my mind and my body to wake up early every day. My days off, I'm up at 6 a.m. every day. Every day, it doesn't matter, my body's up. Train myself. Train yourself to get up early every day. Get up, wash your ass, wash your face, wash everything. Get nice and fresh, and then go to work. Never show up to work all dirty and all nasty and all smelly. Nobody wants to smell you. You got to get up every day and get cleaned up. Get some coffee in the morning. Get something inside of you, some caffeine. Get yourself pumped up. Get ready for work. You know what I mean? Get to work early. If work starts like today, we open at 8. I'm going at 7:10. You know why? Because I know there's going to be people waiting already. So why not show up early and knock some of those people out and get ahead of everybody? You know, that's how I look at it. And, you know, some of my barbers show up early, some of them don't. Some of them show up late. You know, they haven't learned the system yet, you know, and you have to lead by example, and that's what I do. So just keep that in mind, guys, for all you youngsters out there and older barbers. You know, you want to get ahead of the game? Man, get up early every day. That's how you get ahead of the game. Remember that, all right?
Sea noise on the track.
It's 9 a.m. 3 barbers short. Running to the bank right now, get it all the way. I'm already 5 cuts in. So I'm talking about, guys, early bird, messing up, missing work. Do you still write checks?
No, the only check I write for is my rent. That's it.
That means all for you, dog.
That's the right check first.
Like, you ever miss you need help? Go online or do some shit. When she grab a call. And do whatever it says to do.
And they charge you $10. They charge you $10 every time you call. You pay like that. Yeah.
Yeah, well, they're fucking set up automatic payments. Don't cost you nothing. That's why automatic payments is available. Can't believe you guys don't know about automatic payments and online banking and checking your fucking bank.
Can you put direct deposit?
You get direct deposit, yeah. Oh, yeah. Direct deposit on your bank, and your check goes straight to your bank every day, every week.
Food, the decorations.
Yeah.
They want to take a shit?
Got that one, though?
I'm gonna do this. He's the one who's like, I only wants to know if he's taking a shit, no?
You got that one if you need it, huh?
Very cheap muscle.
Yeah.
Here, down here.
He's very cheap. Oh, he was about to get a hard line the other day, tone him down.
Yeah?
Yeah, I was like, fuck, this far from giving him a hard line, you know it's gonna get fucking another next week. It's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. I'm his barber, and next week you're gonna line him up and give him a hard line.
Going through a midlife crisis.
Do a design, put a big dick on the back of his
Big
head.
design of your dick.
No, Tony?
Danny says give you a design on the back of your head, big dick.
Put a big dickhead on it.
Check it out, tube. Just giving you guys a sneak preview before I go. Tomorrow, it's going down. I am going airborne. My Hubsan X4 FPV brushless advanced. Haha, it's going down tomorrow. This is what I'm rolling with tomorrow, guys. But I got $100. Not bad, huh? Guy came up. Tomorrow, guys.